What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I am excited to reveal to you one of my favorite REITs. I'm finally buying them. I'm finally on the attack. I'm going after them. I actually have a goal to maybe throw $250 or $500 a month. So I did put money in FZROX, but you know what? I want to be a little bit more aggressive. I want that dividend income to start kicking in. I have Vanguard Admiral shares. It was like a total stock market in my 403B, and I'm investing in a S&P ETF in my IRA. So it's just, I'll worry about that in the future, but this is something that I'm going in. It's one of my favorite REITs. I've praised them all the time. I have told you before, Prologis is the real deal. It runs circles around STAG. If you tell me that STAG is better than Prologis, I'll laugh at you. Many big-time REIT investors would probably laugh at you as well. And I want to go over this. And again, there's nothing wrong with STAG Industrial, but it is not Prologis. And I'm going to go over why Prologis is the real deal and probably the best industrial REIT out there. I was so excited today. I mean, look, I just did a shorts. Ohio State lost to Michigan. Browns lost. I would consider it a miserable Monday. Had an amazing podcast, by the way, with One Penny at the Time. I'm going to post the link in the comment section below as well. But man, buying this, it just changed the mood, just buying Prologis. Now I'm going to tell you, I had a good workout, and buying Prologis really put my spirits up, really got me going. And if you own Prologis, you know how powerful it is. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out Prologis right now. And Prologis is right now in the past 5 years, it's in line with the S&P 500. It's slightly beating the S&P 500 in the past 5 years, which is very exciting. Sitting at 111.87. Average volume is 3.64 million. The market cap is 103.36 billion US dollars. And don't worry, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review on them as to why I bought them. Year range is 96.64 to 136.67, major dip. Day range is 111.26 to 112.50. Previous close is 112. So we're going to go over them. So first, before I go over their mission statement, look at the properties by region. They're in the Americas. They're in Brazil. They're in Canada. They're in Mexico. They're in the United States. They're in Europe. They're in Asia, China, Japan, Singapore. So they're in the UK. They're big. Their mission, and I'm going to quote them, "Our people are the key to our success as we aspire to be the leading global real estate company as measured by our customer service, employee engagement, financial performance, and balance sheet strength." So their values are with integrity, mentorship, passion, accountability, courage, and teamwork. So the big thing is, who are they a major landlord for? We need to know about that. And here's some of their customers. Amazon, BMW, FedEx. These are big companies. Hitachi. I'm going to also jump to some of them. PepsiCo, Land Rover, Jaguar. Just big companies. And there's Walmart, XPO Logistics, Home Depot, UPS. Those are some big companies. And this is what I like about their impact. And don't forget, in 2022, they did a complete all-stock transaction of Duke Realty for approximately $23 billion. So they are a big juggernaut. But let's see how many buildings they are a landlord for. This is even more amazing. On top of being the largest industrial real estate company in the world, as of December 2022, the company has owned 5,495 buildings, comprising about 1.2 billion square feet. They've been acquiring a lot of industrial REITs, and they just get bigger and stronger. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends, FFO growth, and dividend history. And for an industrial real estate investment trust, who's a major landlord for Amazon, by the way, their revenue has been strong over the years. So 2018, this is annually in millions US dollars, 2008-04, 2019, 3,330, 2020, 4,438, 2021, 4,759, and 2022, 5,973. Revenue has gone up, but remember, for a real estate investment trust, revenue's good. If the revenue's going up, that's a good sign. But FFO is very important, and we're going to go over their recent trends. I'm going to load this up. This is on their investor relations. Revenues has gone up 15% revenue CAGR. Okay, 24% AFFO CAGR, 12% dividend per share CAGR, 10 consecutive years of dividend increases. We're going to go over that. So since 1997 with their IPO, they paid $15 billion in dividends and at a 15% CAGR, ranking number 13 on the growth in S&P 100. It's a well-covered dividend with AFFO payout ratio of 63% in 2022. That's pretty good. Now we're going to jump to its dividend trends and dividend history. I'm going to jump to 2011. Okay, now look at its dividend. It's stuck at 28 cents, and then they're starting to go on a rampage. 2014, 33 cents. 2015, 36 cents to 40 cents. 2016, 42 cents. 2017, 44 cents. 2018, 48 cents. 2019, 53 cents. 2020, 58 cents. 2021, 63 cents. 2022, 79 cents. 2023, 87 cents. So the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 13.58%. If you bought one share, you made $3.48 with a 3.11% dividend yield. I'm going to do the Prologis challenge. I'm going to get to 100 shares. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Monthly, I'm buying Prologis. I'm going to tell you that right now. Instead of throwing $250 in FZROX, I'm putting money in Prologis. I like the way things are going. Yes, I'm going to be taxed on it as income, but I want to get to 100, 200 shares with this. I love them to death. I'm going to buy them every month until I get to 100 shares. I'm going to update that too, as well as showing you my dividend income history with that. But I wanted to show you why I'm so excited to buy Prologis. I told you I was going to buy American Tower. I told you I was going to buy Prologis eventually. Today is the day I'm buying Prologis. I'm going to do the 100 share challenge. I'm going in. I absolutely love this one. This one I would love to just get to 100 shares and have it buy more shares each quarter. That would be amazing. Dividend growth is solid. They're down. I'm going in. And I have the resources to do it. I need to be a little bit more conservative. Don't get me wrong. I still do need to pay off some student loans. But I want to allocate my funds into Prologis. Now, I told you I was going to put $250 in Fundrise, $250 in FZROX. It might just be $500 into Prologis each month to really turbocharge my dividend portfolio. But I want to get to that 100 share mark, and I'm very excited. So I wanted to reveal to you the video why I love Prologis. I may do a comparison with them with Stag Industrial, because I'm going to tell you these guys are the biggest industrial REIT in the world. They acquire a lot of REITs, and they're especially industrial REITs, and they are so powerful. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Hope you really enjoyed this. I was very excited to make this video on Monday. Take care, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel in any form of financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. It is best to seek financial advice by a certified financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. I am not, and I'm just showing you my dividend investing journey for entertainment purposes only. Investing in the stock market is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So just be aware that you can lose money on investments, and make sure you do your due diligence and research stocks before you pull the trigger. Again, it is best to seek financial advice through a financial advisor. Take care and have a good one.